Laundry can help your kid clean up in kindergarten. Let's see what's spinning with the Alfaros.
No detergent pods needed when you've got this measurement master.
So I need you to say stop when I filled this cup halfway.
Let's see if Luis measures up.
Keep going.
Stop, stop.
And yes, he takes it to the fill line and scores.
So do you think you can help me match these socks?
Yeah. Polka dot. Found one.
No clashing colors here, that's for sure.
Right.
Now what about this one?
Okay.
Nope.
Yeah.
Yes!
Yes!
Yeah.
So now we have
Two
pairs
pairs
of
of
matching
matching
socks.
Sock it to me. A perfect call from our matching maestro. That's all, folks. Remember, math is everywhere, even in the laundry room.